is nasty looking.
Your own private beach.
Nobody's here.
Hello. Here we go!
Good morning, you guys. Today we're gonna take you on a fun little adventure to the Puerto Princesa subterranean river tour. We had a long ride. It took us about an hour and a half to get here. It was very windy. Chase gets car sick, so he had a little bit of a time. Make sure to bring your gravel because you might need it if you get car sick. So the Puerto Princesa subterranean river tour is actually the longest navigable river tour in the world, and it's also part of the new 7 Wonders of Nature, which is super exciting. We have heard it's absolutely amazing. But apparently right now it's busy season, so it takes a while to wait for the boats. And also some of the boats have also been destroyed by Typhoon Odette. So we had the chance to go to the Mangrove Forest first, which is near the river tour. So we've actually decided to do that. It was 350 pesos.
Here we are.
Woohoo!
I'd like to welcome you here at Sabang Mangrove Forest.
Here, like big snakes or no?
Very small one. Very small.
Well, that's
like the length is 1 meter.
Okay, well that's good because I don't want to.
I've never been seen a big snake.
I don't want to see a big snake. So that's good news to me.
Backwards. Watch out, Shelbs. Mangrove Attack.
So our tour guide has offered to try to find us a, oh gosh, Tamilok, which is a woodworm. I don't know if we can eat it, but if we can, we will. See him right there. Yeah, he said it's hard to find during high tide, so he said he's gonna give it his best shot, which is super nice. This is perfect too, because I'm a little hungry, so what better to start your day with than a woodworm? It's funny too, because he's just climbing over the branches like it's nothing. He just got in there and was like,
Shelby would be down in the water already.
I would be down in the water, 100%.
A local dish, kilawin.
Kilawin?
Yes.
Ah, okay. What do they cook it with something? Or
no,
vinegar?
Just put vinegar. Kilawin just put vinegar.
Ah, okay. Ooh, so he got the log and it has a hole in it, so I guess he thinks that's where the worm is. So we're bringing it home and
we're gonna axe it.
We're gonna axe, well, he's gonna axe it open, not me. But hopefully we got a little woodworm in there.
Yes. I'm very excited.
I'm not excited. I don't know if I'll eat it.
All aqua living things to support the livelihood, and the source are mangroves.
I learned a lot of things about mangroves today. I didn't know that their root system filtered water.
Here's our stick. That worm better be hiding in there. Look at this stick.
Is that it? That's it? It's in there?
Yeah, the white one.
Okay, so are we eating it?
Can we eat it?
Yeah, we need to clean first.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that thing's insane.
Okay, Chase has to eat that one. Oh my gosh.
All right, there's the worm, eh?
Ah!
Yes.
Wow. That is nasty looking.
Wow, I did not expect it to be that big. And by the way, this little worm thing is actually a mollusk.
Yeah, and they are from, like mostly in this area. So we haven't seen them anywhere else in the Philippines, I don't think.
They have to be near the mangroves. So
yeah.
Most of the mangroves are here in Palawan.
Yeah.
And here we are.
We're gonna eat I don't know if I'm gonna eat it. I don't know.
Oh, wow.
Oh, interesting.
And this
So
is,
that's how it like burrows?
yeah, they are eat the tree.
She's just cleaning them off right now. They have to be cleaned. Let's see.
Just like an oyster.
Oh, I don't know.
Come on.
Ah,
Miss Canadian, come on.
I know.
So yeah, she's just slicing it up, deveining it, giving it a little rinsey poo, and no cooking necessary. Some of them put vinegar on it.
Put vinegar on it?
Yeah.
Okay, bottoms up.
Grab one of these. Ready? Stir it in the vinegar.
Stir it in the vinegar.
You can do it.
All right, so here's our worm mollusk. Yeah, it's seafoody. It's actually pretty good with the mixture of salt and vinegar. I'll tell you, just give me a little moment to chew. I actually don't mind it. That's actually pretty delicious.
Really?
Like if I lived here, I'd be out there getting some little mollusks all the time.
I might try.
Oh, you're gonna go?
Okay.
Okay, quickly filled.
Which one?
Get that, yeah, stir it all in the vinegar.
Oh my gosh.
Easy. Right. It's good. Seriously.
It was good, yeah.
Yeah, it was.
I don't know. What's the texture? I don't know.
We won't get into texture.
Oh, that looks like a worm. And it doesn't taste that bad, but I wouldn't eat another one. Personally, I would take the balut over that worm. It was slimy. And I know it's not technically a worm. It's like in the mollusk family, it's seafood, but it was slimy and it like had the length and looked like a worm, and I just...
That thing was long if you had it in one go.
I couldn't do it. I'm not a fan.
All right, now we've arrived where it looks like we're gonna go more on an ocean boat.
Yeah.
And then head to an underground river.
Yeah, that's gonna be so cool.
We got boat number 61, and we had to split up because I think you only get 8 people per boat and our group's a little bigger, so we have 2 boats today. Our boat's way over there. Can you guys believe it's our first time getting on one of these boats already?
Yeah, one of the cute looking little Filipino boats. Can't wait. It's cool. It looks like they had like 2 benches on each side. So the boats don't look like they're gonna get super crowded.
No. All right, so our boat number changed last minute. We are now boat number 63.
Yes. Thanks.
Woohoo! Now we gotta put our life jackets on because the rules in Philippines are, with a motorized boat, you must wear a life vest.
Meh.
Woohoo! You can't hear your neighbor talking to you on those boats.
Yeah, you're basically all quiet because you can't hear anything. I was like trying to talk to Chase and he's like, I don't know what to say. Once we got on the beach here, we're literally already surrounded by like limestone cliffs, and the color of the water is so blue and beautiful. Helmet time. I feel like Cinderella. Oh my god.
But without a shoe. Yeah, it's not very comfortable.
Wow, I'm just looking cuter and cuter in these hats. Love it. But we have to wait for about 30 minutes because again, it's a little touristy here, so there's other people that are waiting. So we're just gonna hang out for 30 minutes, and he let us know that this water is mixed with fresh and salt water. Fun fact.
Fun fact.
Fun fact. Shelby's fun fact. You have to wait for your boat ride, but I mean, is waiting really that bad when you can hang out here? How little do I look? That's a big tree.
Your own private beach.
Nobody's here. Everyone's waiting all over there in the clusters, and you're just like, what? This is beautiful.
You can see all the boats over there.
Oh, this is incredible.
Waves crashing and the beautiful rock.
Wow. The green, blue water. I cannot get over the color of water in the Philippines. It is like nothing I've seen before. What did I land on? Oh my gosh! What is this? My heel landed on this.
It's like a seed.
Oh,
Pod.
that hurt.
Are you teaching us the rules of the cave? Yeah?
Good luck. Enjoy your tour. Thanks.
Thank you. All right, guys, since there's bats, we have to be quiet once we go into this cave, so enjoy the ride.
Enjoy the scenery. We're just coming out of the cave. That was absolutely incredible. There's like bats flying all around you. It's like kind of dark. The limestone and the cave formations are next level.
Yeah, my eyes are taking a while to adjust. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, I'm blown away. That was so much fun. And they give you like this little device that's actually kind of funny because they play basically like as you're going through, they tell you all about the cave and everything, and then they make like funny kind of like, okay, so this rock formation is a dinosaur, this one's a cob of corn, like
yeah, religious things, food things.
yeah.
It's so cool.
So you get to learn about so much history, so much information, and apparently they found a new mineral in that cave, which is like, that's pretty cool. And there's I think 11 minerals in that cave.
All right, Shelbs, time for a face plant.
I'm ready for some food. Okay. I don't need a face plant. I don't need that to happen. I need some grub in my tummy because I haven't ate since like 6:30 this morning, and it is like 2 p.m.
That's too long.
Do I say this in every video? Like,
yeah.
Give me the food, like get me out of here?
We gotta do this very gently. We gotta like plan it out because if too many people on one side get off, we're going. Yeah.
We don't want to get in the water. I don't want to get in the water.
What are you eating? You found something. All right, it is raining on us. So we're gonna get on this boat, ride back, and meet you back at the buffet.
Yeah.
Here we go. Wow.
Well, we dodged most of the rain.
Yeah.
Not all of it.
Okay. Oh,
Ready?
ready? Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you. What a gentleman.
Welcome.
Such a gentleman.
Well, I'm nauseous again.
Oh no!
So let's go get some food.
Oh my gosh.
Was it on camera again? I don't know.
It's the new flip-flops.
Okay, we'll blame those.
Yeah.
And then if it was the other ones, it would be because it's the old flip-flops.
Exactly. I'm sticking to my story. We're just walking by the buffet and it actually looks like so good.
Wow!
Look at the feast.
Holy! All right, so the whole thing why we went on this tour was right here, this buffet.
No, it's not. But actually, I don't think I've ever been to an like that of an extensive food buffet.
For an excursion.
For an excursion, like I kind of feel pretty gourmet right now. Like there's everything that you could possibly want, and there's candles around the tables. Like
That's a stacked plate.
it's like there's so many different options. Like so cool. And we're kind of looking over the ocean right now.
Oh, it's beautiful.
The wind is blowing. Like it's
The
just
rain has stopped.
Yeah, we got so many, like, what did you get? There was like chicken adobo, there's some kind of crispy fish maybe, noodles, pancit, pork, sweet pork, what is that?
I got almost everything. Do you want to try it?
What is this? Okra? Here's like a fiddlehead.
That's good.
Yeah. That was good. There's
Right.
like lumpia, vegetables.
I tried almost everything. And if I couldn't get it on the first round, which I think was only fruit and soup, I might go back.
Is this okra? I think it's okra.
It's pretty huge. All right, let's try some of these green beans.
I'm going for the noodles.
That's so good.
Oh,
I put on a couple scoops of vinegar on some of my stuff. The noodles, the beans.
beans are amazing.
The beans are amazing.
Same with the noodles.
All right.
You kind of wonder what you're gonna get for a buffet lunch.
Yeah, sometimes it's nasty. Look at this. I put this sauce on the lumpia.
Ooh,
Man.
the fish is good too. Oh,
I know.
oh.
Double thumbs
You know
up.
what that tastes like?
What's that?
That's tuna.
Is it?
Yep.
Uh-oh, I'm getting converted.
It's delicious.
That's interesting. I like that lumpia, but oh
I
man.
think we're gonna enjoy our food. Look over this beautiful view
Yeah.
and enjoy it.
Look, I even got spinach. That's unlike me.
Is it good spinach?
The spinach is good.
No, it's not. I didn't get that one. I don't blame him.
Spinach with oyster sauce. I'm telling you,
Not bad.
I don't like spinach, and that's actually.
I don't think it's spinach.
She said it was spinach.
Really? Maybe it's a different kind of Filipino spinach.
Delicious. Round 2, fight! We got another little plate here. Got some pineapple. The noodles were amazing. These beans.
This tuna lumpia with the pink sauce.
So if you guys want to know the winners, and if they have the same kind of buffet when you come, this right here is amazing. And the adobo and stuff, yeah, like just indulge, it's delicious. I'll be over here eating my fruit. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Chase is gonna be over there stuffing his face, but we are probably gonna end the video there. We hope you guys enjoyed this day with us. We had a lot of fun. I think it's like just be prepared for some waiting to go down. You know, you're gonna be waiting a little bit. That's kind of like the fun of it, but once you actually get to like the subterranean river tour, it was beautiful. We had such a blast. Please, if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave us a comment, subscribe, like the video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.